Hi everyone, welcome back to Dare to Glow. I'm Bella and today I'll be sharing with you my top 5 favorite makeup brushes. These are from user experience, so it's not like I'm being paid to advertise for someone else. It has also taken me a long time to figure out the best brushes, compare and contrast, try different brands, and I finally narrowed it down and I'm going to share my top 5 with you. So this is actually going to be part of a new mini series of top 5 favorites. So I'll be sharing today's brushes, next week will be tools, the following will be brands, and so on and so forth. So get excited for the start of this new mini series. Now let's get started with today's video. First step in makeup is, of course, the foundation. I have discovered the Sigma number F80 flat kabuki brush. You'll see it's flat. What attracted me to this and why I was looking for a new brush in the first place was that my old Sephora brush was absorbing all the makeup and I didn't even realize it. I was always running out of foundation all the time and I wondered why, because I used my usual 1.5 pump of my Armani Power Fabric foundation. And it was getting all stuck in the brush. Look how gross that is. Well, not gross, more like wasteful. Like, I was looking for a new brush that didn't do that. So I found the solution in this Sigma kabuki brush. Not only does it not absorb all the product, it's buildable. So I can put a little bit on and it'll only apply that amount and all the product goes on my face. You don't see any streaks anywhere and it's very easy to use. So you can tap it on, you can move it in circles, and that's it. That brush is available on the Sigma website for $25. Actually, I found out you can get all Sigma products much cheaper if you just sign up for their email program. You will get a coupon code of, I believe, 15% right away, and they will keep texting you when new sales come up, which is literally weekly, and they'll send you coupon codes each time too. So definitely, if you want Sigma brushes, sign up for the email list. My next favorite brush is the Scott Barnes number 59 Lip and Eye Precision Brush. I use this brush for both lip contouring and for eyeliner. I actually have a video about how to make your lips bigger. I'll link it here, where I use this brush to add some shading around the lips, put lip liner on top, and lipstick and gloss to make it big. I love this brush because it's so multifaceted. Like I said, it's not just for lips. You can do a perfect winged eyeliner. Scott himself says you can also use it to draw brow hairs and fill in the brows as needed. It's at an angle and it doesn't shed, so you don't have to worry about random hairs all over your face. This brush is available for $18 on the Scott Barnes site. My next favorite brush is the Sigma Diffused Crease Brush in number E38. I love this because it puts the shadow exactly where you place it. It's pretty precise. So I think if you are a long-time viewer, you have seen in my previous videos I say the shadow travels and you have to be careful and clean it up with a Q-tip. Well, you won't have that problem anymore with this brush. It picks up just a bit of product and it applies exactly where you put it. It's buildable, so you can add more as needed. Its primary function is to soften any brighter or darker colors and blend in multiple colors at the same time. I have used this to try out new eyeshadows, and it's awesome because you literally cannot mess up. You won't have to clean up, you won't have to like erase anything. It only puts the color where you want to put it. So highly recommend this brush. And it's $17 on the Sigma website. My next favorite brush is the Sigma E55 eye shading brush. And I like it because it can put powder eyeshadow evenly in just one swipe. Don't you hate when you put eyeshadow on and like you have to keep dipping and adding and dipping and adding because it leaves holes randomly? You won't have that problem with this brush. And this is like the other Sigma brushes. It doesn't pick up too much extra product, so you can build up as desired or you can put as little as desired. So I highly recommend this brush too. It's $16 on the Sigma website. And don't forget to use your coupon. The last brush I absolutely love is the Scott Barnes number 64, the Highlighter Pro brush. I used this before in my other video, how to layer blush tutorial, because that's what it's best at. You put blush, highlighter, and any powder, maybe contour, bronzer, precisely where you want it. As I instructed, you want to keep it away from the middle of your face so it stays on your cheeks, and you can do that very easily with this brush. Scott Barnes brushes are very high quality and the shape won't change even after you wash it. Also, the bristles won't lose their softness after you wash it. So it's good for layering, like I used in my video. You can apply blush first, or 2 different blushes, mix them up, layer them, and put highlighter on top of that, all with the same brush. And this brush is available for $32 on the Scott Barnes website. So that was a summary of my favorite brushes. I hope you learned something new, or if you've used it before, I would love to hear your thoughts. If there's a way to use them that I didn't mention today, I would love to hear from you. I will be linking the product links to each one of these brushes, as well as all the makeup I'm wearing today, in the description box below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next top 5 mini-series videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!